Hello everyone, welcome to Simple English Lab. Today I will teach you daily use English with easy words, slow speaking sentences, and a step-by-step method. This video has 4 steps. 1. Listening practice. 2. Vocabulary learning. 3. Listen and answer practice. 4. Shadowing practice. Each step is connected to the next one. Your job is simple. Listen, repeat, and practice every day. So, are you ready to speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently? Let's begin.
Number 1. Listening practice. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I feel fresh.
I feel fresh.
I sit up in bed.
I sit up in bed.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I smile.
I smile.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
The water is cold.
The water is cold.
I feel awake.
I feel awake.
I wear a clean shirt.
I wear a clean shirt.
I wear pants and shoes.
I wear pants and shoes.
Now I am ready.
Now I am ready.
I go outside.
I go outside.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The air is cool.
The air is cool.
I start walking.
I start walking.
I walk slowly.
I walk slowly.
I see trees.
I see trees.
I see birds.
I see birds.
The birds are singing.
The birds are singing.
Some people are walking.
Some people are walking.
Some people are jogging.
Some people are jogging.
One man is walking his dog.
One man is walking his dog.
The dog is small and happy.
The dog is small and happy.
I smile at the dog.
I smile at the dog.
The man says, "Good morning."
The man says, "Good morning."
I say, "Good morning."
I say, "Good morning."
I walk for 20 minutes.
I walk for 20 minutes.
I breathe deeply.
I breathe deeply.
I feel good.
I feel good.
Now I go home.
Now I go home.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I sit down.
I sit down.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
That was your listening practice.
That was your listening practice.
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
Now, let's go to the next step.
Now, let's go to the next step.
2. Vocabulary learning. This is your vocabulary learning lesson. Let's learn 10 easy English words from the story you heard. Listen carefully. Repeat after me if you can. 1. Wake up, meaning to open your eyes after sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
2. Brush, meaning to clean with a brush. Example, I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
3. Shower, meaning to wash your body with water. Example, I take a shower to feel fresh.
I take a shower to feel fresh.
4. Wear, meaning to put clothes on your body. Example, I wear a clean shirt.
I wear a clean shirt.
5. Walk, meaning to move with your feet slowly. Example, I walk in the morning.
I walk in the morning.
6th, tree, meaning a big plant with leaves and branches. Example, I see trees in the park.
I see trees in the park.
7. Bird, meaning an animal that can fly. Example, the birds are singing.
The birds are singing.
8. Dog meaning a friendly animal, often a pet. Example, one man is walking his dog.
One man is walking his dog.
9. Smile, meaning a happy face. Example, I smile at the dog.
I smile at the dog.
10. Water, meaning a clear liquid we drink. Example, I drink a glass of water.
Glass of water.
Great job! Now you know 10 new English words. You heard them in the story. You learned what they mean. 3. Listen and answer practice. Let's begin. First question, what time do I wake up? Answer, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Second question, what do I do after I wake up? Answer, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Third question, do I take a shower in the morning? Answer, yes, I take a shower. Fourth question, what do I wear after the shower? Answer, I wear a clean shirt and pants. Fifth question, where do I go for a walk? Answer, I go outside. Sixth question, what do I see outside? Answer, I see trees and birds. 7. Question, are the birds singing? Answer, yes, the birds are singing. 8. Question, who is walking a dog? Answer, one man is walking his dog. 9. Question, do I smile at the dog? Answer, yes, I smile at the dog. 10th question, what do I drink after walking? Answer, I drink a glass of water. Well done. You listened, you answered, you practiced thinking in English. 4. Shadowing practice. Sentence 1, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Now you say it. Sentence 2, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Now say it like me. Sentence 3, I take a shower. The water is cold. Say it with me, slowly. Sentence 4, I wear a clean shirt and pants. Repeat it. Sentence 5, I go outside. The sky is blue, your turn. Sentence 6, I walk slowly. I see trees and birds. Say it with clear voice. Sentence 7, the birds are singing. Copy me. Sentence 8, one man is walking his dog. Say it again. Sentence 9, I smile at the dog. The man says, good morning. Repeat slowly. Sentence 10, I drink a glass of water and feel happy. Say it with feeling. Great job! You listened, you repeated, you shadowed my voice. This helps you sound natural in English. Practice this daily and you will speak English with more confidence.